Right, so we're going to change the jockey wheel. The first thing you're going to do is jack it up.
Right, we're just making sure now that the back legs are up before. So we have to lift up the back legs, which Ian's doing now. Can you explain why we have to pick up the...
Because when I jack up the front, the back end will come down. Next step, make sure the handbrake's on. Which it is. Now we're going to wind up the handle as far as it will go. Now we wind down the front legs. Don't use them as a jack. Now we've got to wind down the back legs. Now we can take the jockey wheel out. Finish winding it up, take it out.
I'm going to ask a silly question now, Ian. How does that wheel... Does that just... Oh, it all comes apart, does it? Yes? There's my answer.
Bit like that.
I was thinking, how does he get the wheel through that small gap?
Now we get the new wheel. Hold it together in your legs and split this one.
Can we just show the different sizes in the wheels, Ian, on there? So this is the new jockey wheel, and that is the old one, significantly bigger.
Larger.
Larger.
Put this through there first. Lock it in place. Take this off. Right, that was not jacked up high enough, so I've had to adjust it. Now, with that, join them together. Drop it down onto the new wheel.
So we're raising the legs again now.
That is, yeah. Now wind the jockey wheel down to back down to its normal height. And that's it, fitted, changed.
So why have we changed the jockey wheel, Ian?
Because it's more substantial, it's got a bigger wheel, a better wheel to go over these stones.
Yeah, because here at storage we really have trouble going over the stones. So
now it's got a nice new jockey wheel. Simple upgrade, effective.
and how much did we pay for it?
£70.
Off eBay, wasn't it?
Yeah. But it's highly recommended by everybody.